This is the yellow Bakerpan fondant. I've been cutting fondant open for a while now just to check the color. And this is a nice yellow. This is really bright, and that's a good lemon yellow color. So yeah, this would be good for flowers, for flower centers and that kind of thing. The texture of this is kind of like a solid Play-Doh. I think that if you were going to dry flowers out, this is the kind of fondant that will dry out. But you could put this on top and it will stay soft for a certain amount of time, and then after a while it'll start drying out. If you want to make a quick gum paste with this, you can add a little Tylose to it, and that will help harden it up faster. But this is a really nice yellow color, and I've been tasting this. It does taste kind of like that artificial vanilla fondant flavor. This is nothing new. Everybody has tasted it before, but this is a really good color for spring flowers and that kind of thing. And it looks like it's a true primary yellow, so this would probably be pretty good for mixing. And I'm going to do a little bit of that next. But in the meantime, if you need a good color fondant to make flowers, this is a nice true yellow.